In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the AC discharge hose on this Hummer H3. This is going to be located between the AC compressor and the condenser. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel. You have to take the hubcap off first, or center cap. I'm going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just use a rag so you don't scratch anything. And right in there, there's a little slot. Pull that off. Using a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. On the inner fender well, we're going to take the push pins out. Just use a trim tool. Get underneath the push pins. Pop those out. Shouldn't have to take it out. Pop that off. This one right there. Loose. We're going to remove the mud flap. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these screws out. Pull that out. Then down below you might have some push pins. Take those out as well. So push pin right here. Just use your trim tool. Take that off. Now grab the inner fender well. Pull it down in the back and pull it out of the way. You can see on the side here, this hose that goes to the compressor, there's a bolt right there. We want to take that bolt out. So we want to reach in there. There's not a lot of room, so we're going to use a 13mm wrench and just get on the bolt. Loosen that up. All right, pull that bolt out and grab the hose. Pull that off the compressor. There should be a seal on the end of the hose. Just make sure the seal came off with the hose. If not, it's going to be on the compressor. Now from the front, you can reach in through the grill. Use a 13mm socket. You can see the line right there. Take that nut off. In, take that nut off. You can grab the hose, pull that forward, and there'll be a seal on that hose as well. And that's loose. Now just grab the hose. Just going to pull it forward. Just try to get it past the alternator. Just pull it up. Right there. You pull it out. You're going to have to twist it a little bit. If this hose is connected to the battery cover, you can pop that off out of the way. And then just rotate this. And it comes right out. You want to take some new seals. Get the new seals put on. Just line those up. Push that down. Do the same on the other side. Oops. Push that on. Now take the hose and the 90-degree bent part. We're going to slide that through first towards the behind the grill. Get that to go through. And this part, you're going to push down towards the compressor. Get that hose out of the way. Down underneath the alternator. Down near the compressor. That's good. Now reach in the grill, grab the hose, and just get that to line up. Might have to grab the hose from the back just to make sure it's in the right position. Slide it over the stud into the condenser. There we go. Now put the nut on. Tighten that down. That's good. Now we're going to torque this to 12 foot-pounds. That's good. Now take the line from underneath, or the hose. Get this lined up on the compressor. Push that in place. And then take the bolt. You're going to reach in and get that started. Tighten that down. And take the wrench. And we'll tighten that. And we'll snug that down. If you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 12 foot-pounds. It's pretty tight in there, so do the best you can. Take the inner fender well. Get this lined up. Push that in place. And with this lined up, we're going to start putting the push pins in. Lock those down. And one more up there. There you go. Push that in. Now take the mud flap, get that lined up, put the screws in. And tighten those down. And if you had any push pins, you want to push those in. Now install the wheel. Get that lined up. Put the lug nuts on. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 103 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And take the cap, line that up, pop it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.